Guys, I have two huge bags of vacation clothing items that I got from Aliexpress, and I cannot wait to try them on with you guys. If this is something you definitely love to see, keep watching. Hello guys, my name is Lade. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell notification so you're always reminded anytime I have a banging new video just like this one. Also share this video with your friends and family. Please, the love will go a long way. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and trying out some items that I got from Aliexpress. These are vacation items. You know, anytime I have a video up on this channel, it's about to be a banging vacation time, and then I'm just like, I've really never shopped like specifically vacation items on Aliexpress. I went on there and I said vacation outfits and accessories, so I'm going to be sharing all of that with you today. Context: I stay in Nigeria and I was able to get my items to me shipped to my doorstep here in Nigeria. If you want like a detailed video of how I shop from Aliexpress to Nigeria, definitely leave a comment and then I'll see if I can do like a short or a sit down video just like this. It's going to be a long one, so please grab your popcorn and let's get started. Let us tackle this bag first. Is this gorgeous long dress. Guys, get into the color. It's the color for me. Look at it against my skin. I know you see the vision. It is so simple yet so beautiful. It's a long dress and then it has this that you tie around the neck, so it gives like an halter neck feel. But guys, this color, it's coloring, it's giving. I love that it's so minimal. Next is this cute dress. Is how Aliexpress packs their packaging for me. It's a nice flowery dress, tie sleeve detail on both sides. It is just so nice, and then it has like a gather detail here on the waist. It's so beautiful. Everything I ordered, no, not everything, some of the things I ordered in medium and some in large. This is in medium, and then the first dress, the green dress I showed you guys, was ordered in large, and I feel like it fits me perfectly. I wanted a pair of jeans and I'm just like, let me give Aliexpress a try for like a pair of jeans. Guys, they added this as a free gift. Just look at it. This is the denim. I wish it was longer though. It fits fine, but like it's not as long as what I saw in the picture, which I'm going to leave here. But every other thing fits perfectly. And when I realized that it wasn't as long, I actually put in a request for a refund on Aliexpress, and then they gave me like a partial refund just because what I ordered did not match. If you are having doubts about shopping on Aliexpress, if you have any problems, you can just request for a refund and you'll be given. I can't even count the number of times that I have requested for a refund and I was just giving my refund back. They never come back to pick up the item. Yeah, sometimes I'm always praying, please have a defect so I'll get my refund. Yeah, this is it. I'll still wear it though. I will. I mean, this is not like original Crocs, but like it's crocking. It's so gorgeous. It's just like simple and nice. I just wanted like a black one because I have a pink one and I wanted like a more universal color for like airport outfits or just like lounging around, say I'm going on the beach and things like that. So that's why I got this one. Next is this swimsuit. Get into the color. It's like a deep pink and like a powder pink, fuchsia and powder pink. But like this is it. It is so gorgeous. It has a cutout detail right under the bust, and then the cup pads are actually padded and they're not removable pad. Like they fit like proper bra. So that's what I like about this. And then you can adjust the strap as you like and make it as tight and as loose as you want it. For I mean, I don't regret this buy at all. I have kind of had since I've had it before. I've even talked about it on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, that's my handle. Please give me a follow. A nice, you know, cutout dress. It's long sleeve, it is short, it has cutout details by the side and then ties in front. It won't make sense now as I'm holding it up, but in the try on you will see it is so beautiful. I like the color. It's giving summer, it's giving vacation, it is giving, you know, sipping mimosas. Love it. Next is another swimsuit because yeah, into this color. It's like a bright orange color. This is just normal square neck swimsuits with a ruche detail at the back, and then high sleeve, so you can make it as tight and as loose as you want. As removable cup pads, I think I'm going to actually remove it because the cup pad is just so tiny. It doesn't fit like the entirety of my boobies. This one I ordered in XL. So the thing with sizing on AliExpress is that one outfit you might be ordering a small and the other outfit you might be a large. So just follow the size guide, the size chart, because they don't always give you the same size charts for different outfits. Also make sure to check reviews and see how this fits on other people's bodies. Next is this pair of sandals. It is white and bamboo. It is so beautiful. It has this gold detail here. It is definitely giving vacation in tropical, in sunny, rosé for breakfast. Something to pair perfectly with this is this bag, this summer purse. For some reason I thought it was going to be bigger than this though, but I am not mad at the size at all. Just look at these two together. Like, you can tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Pretty, guys. Next is this dress. It's just a nice white dress. Oh guys, when I tell you that this thing is beautiful, so gorgeous, guys. It ties at the back like so, and it has a nice lacy detail up front, and it just layers so beautifully. Oh, just look at it on me already. Turning. Oh, hey, I think you are sleeping on AliExpress, so because come on, like, I'm going to have links to all of these outfits in the description below, so please check the description if there's anything here you want to buy for yourself. Next is this. It's not an accessory, but it's a need for like vacation. I bought this phone clip-on light. I've kind of reviewed this on my Instagram and on my TikTok, and everybody can't stop talking about this. Normal, the viral Amazon lights, but then this one I got on AliExpress instead. It comes with a charger, a clip-on pad. This is how it just clips to your phone, and then you can use it for selfies, or like when you clip it the other way, you can use it to take pictures. It just makes all the difference when you're traveling and when you're going to like night places, when you're going somewhere at night and then you don't want to have lights with you, but you still want to be looking lit and looking pink. I don't even know why I'm showing this, but like, it's just hair bonnets because I'm going to have braids, long braids, full braids, and I need something that can take all of that braid. And I bought this hair bonnet, and I just like the color. It's like pink, mauve pink. Then you can tie it, make it as tight or as loose as you want. Like someone like me, I don't like to sleep with something so tight, but I still want all of my hair to enter, so my hair can enter, and then I just tie it very loose such that I'm not looking for my bonnet under my bed when I wake up. Next is this pair of pants. This I have in mind for like my airport, my first airport outfit. But I kind of have a top that I'm going to wear with this. I might even wear it with what I'm wearing right now, depending on the time of travel. Very light, and then I like how it just like jumps and things like that. So it's not anything serious, just a nice comfy material. Next is another dress, and it is this red flowery number. It's red and pink on the body. It's just a nice simple dress, but like, and the fact that this detail in front I can customize to make it look like an halter neck and still have sleeves. It's just like a nice touch, a nice detail. It also has a slit. It's just super gorgeous. This is a pant, and it's for like an airport fit. I have a hoodie that is this color, and I'm just like, okay, let me order bottoms also, sweat bottom in that color. It is fleece material. It is very, very thick, and then you can either wear it like this on the bottom, or you tie it this way, so it has like that kind of like carrot detail. I wish it was longer, but I am also not mad at the size. It just comes right a little above my ankle. Last but certainly not the least is a dress. There's this nice green number. It is so beautiful. It has like ruche detail all over, and then some like frilly I sincerely don't know how to describe. Just like the fact that, you know, it's stretchy, it can accommodate my food, baby. Because I'm going to be eating a lot. Since it's in the try-on, because the way I'm describing it, I'm sure you're so confused. Guys, it's just a nice green number. I like the color. Olive green is nice for vacation, especially like when you wear like white sandals, you have your nice bamboo and white bag. This with this and with this, it just makes the green pop, and then the white just balances out so beautifully. Guys, I just counted and I realized I've shared 16 items with you, and those are all the 16 items I have to share with you in this video. Which one is your favorite? Which one are you definitely going to cop? Leave it in the description below. I can't wait to start styling these on my vacation. I feel like Aliexpress is slept on, especially if you're like in Nigeria, where you don't have access to like pretty little thing boo-hoo, except you have like a personal shopper. Aliexpress is the next thing for you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I've come to the end of this haul. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the items. I'm going to be dropping them there, and also I'm going to have all my socials in my description. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button, click on the bell notification so you're always reminded anytime I have a banging new video, and share this video with your friends and family. Till I see you next time. Bye.